Happy 4th of July! We're on adventure number 8 or something.
Yeah, I think.
I think it's 8.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
And we're at a car show. And we were just given free tickets to get in and out. So we're going to get some food and walk around and look at nice cars.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Always. Always down for nice cars and food.
Oh, well there you go.
Yeah.
Let's do this. I think so.
And
Chips.
burger and chips.
How's that Dr. Pepper?
Tasty.
Tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Burger. It
Mm.
is good.
Yeah.
Mine too. Pretty cars. Oh, the motor. Oh, I think they could see it, but that's sweaty and gross, and we left the thingy.
That is the one. What is it?
What were you?
Trademark of car shows.
Oh.
It's coming out sweaty. And
Yeah,
gross.
right. So we're going to Dairy Queen because we're hot and we want ice cream. I want ice cream. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ah. Fireworks. We're scoping out a new spot.
Yeah. We
We'll
can see
see.
some best spot we've scoped so far tonight to where we
Yeah.
can see some.
In general, really. It's so nice.
It is. It feels really nice now, and we're not burning alive.
Yeah. Hopefully, we're hoping we'll see some over this direction. But I don't think that show has started yet, so. But, you know, whatever. Still nicer than anything else
Yeah.
we've seen so far, so. Nice, he says. Come on, give me some good fireworks. Boo. I mean, he probably can see a good amount from where he is too, but still, this is nice.
Yeah. And there's no crowd.
Yes, and when we leave here, there won't be a crowd.
Right.
Yeah.
What's up? That's it?
This never work either, huh? Oh, a little bit.
If I get under the light.
How was your 4th of July?
It was good. We saw cars. We ate yummy food. We saw fireworks.
Yeah, and I went swimming.
And I did not, but I still got a little sun.
And we watched The Sandlot.
Yes, oh yes, of course. We watched The Sandlot because what better 4th of July movie is there out there?
There is a one.
Right?
And it was good.
Yeah, always loved that
It
movie.
was kind of, it felt a little experimental.
What felt experimental?
Just the whole day.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
oh, we have never gone to this car show. We don't know what we're gonna
Yeah.
go see. Then we're like, what do we do now?
Yeah.
Then we're go over to Jeff's.
Oh, yeah, and then we got ice
not
cream.
even knowing,
Yeah.
not even knowing if he's at home.
Yeah.
Then we're like, let's go see if we can see the fireworks from somewhere.
Right?
Yeah, so it was very
Yeah. Yeah.
experimental. But,
That makes sense. I thought you meant the movie, and I'm like,
oh no, not the
what's
movie.
experimental about the movie?
No, yeah.
No, it ended up good. I'm glad I came down and got myself out of the house, and
Yes.
and since I have to work tomorrow, it's always a bummer.
Yeah, I know, sorry.
No, it's fine. But hopefully there's no drunkards on my way home, and
Mm-hmm.
'cause, you know, people like to
People are
party.
horrible.
Yep. But it was fun.
Okay, see if I put that on. No.
No, we're just in the dark.
Anyways.
But it was still a fun day. Hope you all had a good 4th and
Yeah.
happy and safe and yummy.
Yeah. Thanks for joining me.
Yeah, of course.
Now, next year, maybe we'll have a plan.
Yeah, I like that spot. We could just get some chairs and camp out.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah,
Maybe we do a little bit more there, even, you know,
yeah,
than just watch the fireworks.
right.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But,
Yeah.
yay.
Happy
Sorry, I know
Independence Day.
there probably wasn't a lot of video, but
We forgot to film a little bit.
we still had some fun.
Yes, we did. It was a good 4th.
Yeah, it was.
Yes.
And sorry if it's loud right now because I'm on the freeway,
Yes.
but it's all like, I can't hear anything we're saying. No.
You're right. And we had a
That's a-
wonderful 4th.
It was really good and stuff.
Good stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy birthday, America.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Oh, sorry, the biker scared
You
me.
scared me.
Oh shit.
Oh, shh. Why are you trying to
It's
kill
okay,
us?
I'm sorry.